correct, and who's quite flawed, fumble and fumble around in front of in a situation like that.
No, absolutely no. That's a good point. I just feel like with cops and doctors, I mean, you if you have a whole bunch of them and then you show some of them inefficient, some efficient, that's one. But if the only time we see a therapist and it reinforces all the fears that a country like ours has, which is
Yes, and that's why you
very
have to
hesitant
contrast
to
it against the Suchi's speech
shrink
in
me.
season one,
Right,
where she gives a speech out, and you have to contrast it with that. So we did show a lot of good, and
right.
we did show something like this here too.
Cool. Thanks for that answer.
Sure,
Awesome,
thank
awesome.
you.
Thank you so much, Ankur, for coming up here and asking that question. Okay, quickly now before we wrap up, there are two things that we need to really quickly do. We read the action scene before, but there was another scene that we had slated for Supan to read, and this is a scene that I absolutely need to be read because it's one of my favorite moments in the show, and it's just full of great lines and witty one-liners and comebacks, and I think it's going to be great fun. So, Supan, take it away whenever you're ready.
Guys,
Okay.
before we read the scene, since Manoj Perthing wasn't able to really get into this room and he struggled, he sent a voice note for you guys. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it out through Ani's phone. And after that, I guess you guys can get into the scene. Does that work?
I guess long silence is yes.
Yes.
Okay, playing it now.
Okay, I just want to say that it's so pathetic that uh, the Wi-Fi is not here and data is not supporting. Dongle is of no use in this part of the state. It's near Nepal border. So I was telling Raj that all I could, all Raj and DK, that all I can hear is Bhojpuri music recorded in a cheap studio coming from the village. But since it's a writer room, uh, 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 my only point is that the series is, they start with writers and then they end with writers. So my whole lot of salute to them and whole lot of respect, not only for the writers of the Family Man, which is being loved, so much, but also that's true for all the fantastic content which is coming out and being showcased on OTT. Uh, but फिर कभी और बातें करेंगे और लंबी बातें करेंगे इस बारे में. अभी तो ये है कि मैं कई बार मैंने कोशिश की and I could not get in. So you guys have fun while I'm having fun listening to all kind of Bhojpuri music in my village. Okay, good luck.
Okay, guys, I hope you heard that. Was that audible?
Very.
Yes, yes, it's very
Absolutely.
funny too.
For anyone who just came into the room and was wondering why I was talking like Manoj Bajpayee, I wasn't. That was Manoj Bajpayee on an audio recording sending us his message because, well, he couldn't get connected. Guys, what do you all have to say about what Manoj said?
He is the
Okay.
greatest support any
Okay,
writer could have
okay.
because the
No
love and
comments.
respect he
No
gives to the
comments on
written
this.
word.
Okay, okay, all right, so cool. Guys, we are in the fag end of the room. Sopan is going to now read a sequence from the show, which is really dialogue heavy and it's going to be great fun. I'm totally looking forward to it, and then we shall all say goodbye. Take it away, Sopan.
एक मिनट बिफोर दिस सुपन भाई साहब एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहता था एक वेरी शॉर्ट डिटूर बिकॉज हम वी आर इनसाइड द राइटर्स रूम राइटर्स भी हैं मौका भी है दस्तूर भी है सुपन भी है आई मेट सुपन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एज अ राइटर मैं एमटीवी में काम कर रहा था मैंने 4 साल एज अ लेखक काम किया वहाँ पर तो एक प्रमोशनल कुछ चल रही थी मतलब हमारा प्यारे मोहन एक फिल्म थी जिसमें फरदीन खान और विवेक ओबरॉय बहुत ही दो खूबसूरत एक्टर्स उसमें काम कर रहे थे वो अपने प्रमोशन के लिए एमटीवी में आए थे और उनकी स्क्रिप्ट मैंने लिखी थी फरदीन ने अपने खास दोस्त सुपन को बुलाया था शूट पर, और हमने जो लिखा था उसने स्क्रिप्ट जो है सुपन को दे दी कि यार देखो जरा इसमें क्या है, और फिर सुपन ने उसमें अरे ये गलत है, ये बकवास है, ये कैंसिल है। तो मेरी आधी मेहनत को ना सुपन ने कैंसिल 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 कर दिया। मैंने बोला यार हम लोग ने रात भर शूट इतनी मेहनत से स्क्रिप्ट लिखी है, ये बंदा आया और इसने क्या- बस ये छोटा सा बात
तारिफ, तुम
बतानी थी।
एक्टर मेरे चक्कर में बने, वरना तुम राइटर बनते।
मेरे भाई मतलब इसमें आप मैं मतलब मुझे बहुत मजा आता है ये बताने में।
So basically, the first day of shoot, till then we have done readings, we are all having great time, everything is fine. And then just before I'm about to call action, Sharif just sides to me. भाई आपको पता है आप एमटीवी के ऑफिस आए थे, प्यारी मोहन का प्रमोशन था? मैंने कहा था। एंड ही सेज भाई पता है वो स्क्रिप्ट आपने एक फाड़ दी थी और कहा था ये बहुत बकवास है। मैंने कहा हाँ भाई मैंने वो लिखी थी, चलो मैं रेडी हूँ सीन के लिए। आई एम लाइक ओह फक, मतलब अब ये क्या करने वाला है आदमी। बट Sharif, I said this. I mean, I didn't say this because of this moment right now in the room. But you are a saint. God bless you.
नहीं
You're a
नहीं, अरे
nice
मेरे
human
भाई,
being
आई लव यू सो
and
मच।
so talented, so
आई
damn
एंजॉयड
talented.
एवरी मोमेंट विद यू ऑन द सेट्स ऑफ फैमिली मैन, और हमेशा जब भी हम मिलते हैं मतलब यू आर सच अ स्वीट हार्ट।
But जब स्क्रिप्ट फाड़ने का जिगर है मेरी फाड़ देना
वो ठीक है,
बनता है।
वो तो समझो वाली।
Chalo, shall we read the script, guys? Thank you, Sharif, for that anecdote. I'm really sorry,
Yeah,
man.
this
I'm
is
rushing
The
you.
Family Man season
But
3, a love story.
this is basically has gone. I just want to tell you all that we have gone on for as much as the length of a feature film without as much an interval. And I really want to thank TK, Supan, Raj, and Suman for being so patient and hanging around for this long. Thank you, guys. And thanks, Sharif. Thanks, Shahab, for joining us.
थैंक यू सो
It's
मच।
been an absolute pleasure. Supan, you want to read the scene?
Okay, I'll start. So basically, this is episode 1 where JK.
Supan,
Supan, your
थोड़ा
audio is a little
clarity.
muffled, huh?
1 second. Is
Perfect.
this
Perfect. Yeah, yeah.
better?
Yes.
Okay.
इसमें
So
जेके की लाइंस भी हैं क्या?
हाँ भाई तेरे को
हम साथ में पढ़ेंगे, आप श्रीकांत पढ़ो, मैं जेके पढ़ता हूँ।
तो मैं तेरे को फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूँ भाई, एक
आई
सेकंड।
हैव द
और
सीन विद मी।
यू हैव द सीन,
Oh,
ग्रेट। तो मैं श्रीकांत और
fabulous.
What
तो मैं
scene it is?
श्रीकांत और आई एम रीडिंग श्रीकांत एंड द स्क्रीन प्लेट एज इन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस, ठीक
What
है?
scene? Is it the FOMO scene?
फोमो सीन। So
Yeah,
this is
ठीक
the
है.
Sharif, you
moment.
JK,
have
you
the
have it.
FOMO
You
scene,
can
right?
read
या
it,
आई
Yeah.
हैव
JK.
इट, आई
Okay,
हैव इट।
fabulous. Fabulous. Go
So
for it.
this is the moment where JK and Muthu are with their guns out and the task team having a standoff where Subbu is holding with Suman, who's bare chested and the greatest kisser who bait Imran Hashmi at it in bed, held hostage. Uh, it was a great moment. It was his birthday, by the way. Suman, I love you. Yeah. So basically, JK and Muthu reach Subbu's floor. A few agents are already stationed there, guns drawn. JK's phone buzzes again. He's pissed.
अरे क्या हुआ यार, क्या इमरजेंसी है श्री?
Intercutting with the Bellsoft office. अरे तलपड़े, भड़क क्यों रहा है? हाँ? लंच के लिए मिलना है? My treat.
अरे यार मैं चेन्नई में हूँ, एक हॉस्टेज सिचुएशन में हूँ।
क्या?
चल यार अभी बाद में बात करते हैं।
अरे बता ना, क्या हो रहा है वहाँ?
वेल, हम सस्पेक्ट को सेफ हाउस लेकर जाने वाले थे, बट वो साले चूतिए ने 2 हॉस्टेजेस के लिए ले लिए और एक कमरे में बंद है। मैं बैकअप भी नहीं बुला सकता क्योंकि ये टॉप सीक्रेट है।
तेरे साथ और कौन है?
लोकल टास्क ऑफिसर्स हैं।
सब्जेक्ट कौन है?
यार मैं डिटेल्स डाइवर्ज नहीं कर सकता यार।
भोसड़ी के
सुब्रमण्यन पलनीवेल श्रीलंकन तमिल रेबल्स याद हैं?
हो तेरे बहन के लंड। नहीं, डॉन लंदन के एड्रेस दे दे मुझे, हाँ प्लीज।
क्या बोल रहे थे?
Girl goes back to work. Basically, a girl stared at Shrikant when he abused
अबे
JK.
क्या बोल क्या रहे तू? चल बाद में बात करता हूँ।
NSG नहीं बुला सकता?
नहीं यार, कुलकर्णी क्लियर था, टोटली ऑफ द बुक्स। न्यूज़ लीक नहीं हो सकती। ऑर्डर्स सीधा दिल्ली से आए हैं तिवारी। एनएसए या शायद पीएमओ इन्वॉल्व।
Shrikant observes Tanmay approaches cubicle. Shri switches the screen to colorful Excel sheets. Yes, Brad, I'll set those TPS reports to Andrew. Yeah, sure. No problem at all. I'll change the font color black to blue. And I'll put other colorful stuff too.
क्या चूतिया हो गया है क्या? क्या है तू, क्या बीच-बीच में क्या बोल रहा है रे?
तन्मय लीव्स. मेरा चूतिया मैनेजर आ गया था. तो बता स्टेटस क्या है?
अरे यार वो सुब्बू नेगोशिएट भी नहीं करना चाहता है.
Tanmay comes back. Shrikant suppresses surprise. Talpade, I'll call you back. Shrikant pretends to work on the colorful Excel sheet. Tanmay says, Shari Bhanu bhi Tanmay?
Yeah, Shrikant, weren't you just talking to Brad?
Yes, and then I switched.
Oh, personal call.
Well, semi-personal.
Were you talking about me?
तारीफ कर रहा था. Tanmay studies him for a moment.
Just get the TPS reports on time to New York team.
Yes, almost done.
And remember what I told you. Don't be a minimum guy.
Makaloda. Shrikant gets back to work. He starts reading up on some material on the rebels in the internet. He sees some stuff. Cut to the designated smoking area later. The tiny smoking room is fogged up with smoke. Shrikant smokes as he thinks. A guy struggles to light his smoke from the mount wanted lighter. Other couple of smokers look at him impassively. Back at his desk, Shrikant calls JK. Shrikant, क्या update? सुबह कुछ बोला?
अरे सॉरी भाई, तेरे को लेटेस्ट ब्रेकिंग न्यूज तो देना भूल ही गया मैं.
तलपड़े अपना सरकाज़म अपनी गांड में डाल.
ए, तुझे ना फोमो हो गया है. You
फोमो.
ask, FOMO? Fear of missing out, uncle.
फोमो लो गांड में ले लो. तेरी मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. एक आइडिया था, नहीं चाहिए तो ठीक है. गांड में ले लो. Shrikant hangs up. Beat. He can't help himself. He dials JK's number again. तलपड़े गांडू, मेरा आइडिया नहीं सुनना.
बता बाबा.
चेल्लम.
चिल्लम क्या है अभी?
तू चेल्लम को नहीं जानता?
माफ कर यार, मेरा कौन बनेगा करोड़पति गेम थोड़ा वीक है. वो मैं एक हॉस्टेज सिचुएशन में फंसा हूं ना सर.
सुन भोसड़ी के, चेल्लम वो लेजेंडरी एजेंट है who ran assets in Sri Lanka during the civil war. मेरे ख्याल से one of the assets was भास्करन.
ओह,
करंट चीफ ऑफ रॉ इंद्रनील का मेंटोर हुआ करता था. शर्मा को फोन कर. चिल्लम रिटायर्ड है पर उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
सच?
अब यार जो मैं बोल रहा हूं वो कर. एंड सीन ओवर.
इतनी सारी गालियां थी. किसने लिखा
Oh,
ये?
Wow.
बिल्कुल नहीं,
अरे
सुपर सर ने एक्स्ट्रा गालियां दी है.
हाँ, ये
मतलब
क्या है?
आई थिंक
मतलब वो
स्क्रिप्ट के
कट गई.
स्क्रिप्ट के बाहर भी
That
कुछ पढ़ रहा था. इतना ये
here's
था.
the fun fact, by the way, that we would not write except for one of abuses in the lines, because here's psychology, by the way, as a writer, which I learned and I gained wisdom from Raj and DK, that the minute you starting, galis, actors tend to add to them. So rather curtail so that it doesn't become a abuse fest.
Correct. No, that is
Correct?
true. That is one point I wanted to point out since it's a writers' forum, that a little is a lot. The fact that an abuse is funny when it is used effectively and in the right moment, versus the galias that just flew all over right now. So yeah, good to remember this.
guys, this is why this room has been started, for moments like this. Thank you so much for coming here and turning this into such a success. 2.5 hours, we peaked at over 2K. We steadily had 1.5K people listening to your lines, your dialogues, the action scenes. Thank you so much. The script reading really, really added all the flavor we needed. Supan, DK, Suman, Raj, Sharif, Shahab, I cannot thank you all enough. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
I have
thank you,
a
Anirudh.
quick,
So much, brother.
All right,
quick
guys.
little bite to everybody that I
Bye
just
bye.
want to tell you guys that thank you so much, Anirudh, for getting us on this, and I've never been on this. Hence, I think we didn't see the time flying. Just want to point out that we are all a community, and as a filmmaking community and a filmmaking brethren, sister, is that a right word? But we are going through such a golden phase of content right now. For the very first time, that whole thing, that whole cliche of content is king, that's been talked about forever, is has come true now. So I can be happier that we are all in these times. And then it's really, really, that's what's ruling it. Content is ruling it. Actors are ruling it. So I think it's just time to celebrate. It's a great time to celebrate and put the best content out there.
Which is
Yeah,
how
just wanted to.
we get great rooms like this, yeah, because of the great content that's being churned out.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
you're,
mean,
you're
Guys, and
right.
I just feel like because we've had such a massive audience and there are so many budding writers, budding filmmakers, creators in the room, I do feel like, this is a community that's expanding. And for those of them who want to get in touch with you, want to be collaborators, because I know you guys are always also looking for fresh blood, for fresh ideas. If people want to reach out to you guys, what is the official way to reach out to Raj, DK, Suman, Supan, everyone actually in the room? Like, what is the official way to reach you guys?
Uh, yeah, no, I mean, it's a,
Yeah, no, I mean,
it's a.
we do have, I mean, we have created a couple of email IDs on our
Yeah,
website.
yeah. Please share
Yeah,
them, DK. That'd be great.
So I'm
yeah, I
saying that
mean,
the easiest one would be to just send a quick message or an email in that for that email ID rather than sending all the scripts. I would request everyone to register first and do the whole all the right process before sending us anything. And just a thought or a point is enough to start the conversation. And we are putting together a team. We have a little team, and we're putting together a slightly bigger team to vet through everything and reply to them. So it might take long because it's still a small group of people. But yeah, do send us the brief. The more the shorter the better. A quick brief or a quick message is great for that email ID. Which one is it, DK?
I think the one on on the website we put is it's called scripts at d2rfilms.com. If you can hear me clearly, I think you can visit
Yeah,
our
yeah, yeah.
website,
Guys,
d2rfilms.com, and see the
y'all
email.
can, if there are any writers in the room who want to get in touch with D2R Films, they can send their pitch, their concepts to scripts at d2rfilms.com. It is a suggestion from all of us on the panel. Please register your work with the Screenwriters Association, whether it's an idea, a plot, a screenplay, whatever it is, a step outline. Get everything registered, and only then forward it to producers, networks, etc. I also want to quickly announce, guys, that I'm going to create another club called the Writers Room Club, where I'm going to introduce, basically get everybody who comes into these rooms to join that club. So Supan, DK, Suman, and Raj, you guys are going to be the first people to join that club. I'll send that invite out to you people, and all the writers who are in among the listeners, guys. At some point, everybody is going to be part of that club, and we're going to create a nice little community where we can do more rooms such as these. But for now, all of that content is going to happen under the Bollywood Film Club. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining us. Everybody in the audiences, thank you, Janice, for co-hosting. I couldn't have done half the things without you.
yeah.
uh,
Thank you.
and
Thank you,
everybody
And
on
Janice.
the speakers panel, guys.
thank you, Anirudh, for doing this and inventing Clubhouse also. Seriously, thank you, Anirudh and Janice, for your patience and bringing this together. It was a great one. Yeah, and I want to thank everybody who's been with us in the Family Man journey, and especially the writers and and our core team who've been with us, who helped
Thank you,
us in
Suman.
creating this. Thank you so
Except the
much.
actors. Yeah, yeah.
Bye bye. Thank
Directors.
you.
Okay,
All
guys,
right,
on
bye.
that note,
Thank you,
I'm
My
going
thank
to
you so
God,
end the
much.
nobody
room.
lets a writer speak. Anyway, never mind. Bye bye.
Writers, that's why writers write.
That's why you do stand up
That's why you're
comedy,
right.
Suman.
All
Okay,
right.
guys, thanks a lot. I'm going to end the room in 3, 2, 1.
One. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.